Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sajid and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this short video today we are going to learn string formatting in Python. So as we know from Python variables that we cannot combine strings and numbers like below, like if we have one variable age equal to 36, and second we have a second variable which has a string, and then we use this plus sign to combine this or concatenate this. It doesn't work in Python. Please keep remember this. If we do this, we will get the error. Then if we have to for example combine or put some numbers or data in strings, what we can do. So there are ways. One of them is we can combine strings and numbers by using format method. And the format method takes passed arguments, formats them and places them in the string, where the placeholder, these curly brackets are used. So this is important. You will see in this example below what we have one variable integer. It has a number of 836 and txt text. My name is John and I am this, and then we have put a placeholder. This is curly bracket. So when we do this print txt.format age, so this age variable will be passed to this format method, and what will happen, it will replace these curly brackets with this age variable and make a new string and return us, right? And then which we can print. So let's try this. We can copy this code and do what? Paste it. Okay, so what we have here, our code is ready, so let's execute this. Yeah, see the output. My name is John and I am 36, and if you see the red string here, we have a placeholder curly brackets, and when we are doing txt.format age, this replaces this curly brackets with this variable. So this is how the format method works. It replaces these placeholders with the variables which we give to which we pass to this format method. Next concept is format method takes unlimited number of arguments and are placed into the respective placeholders. So here we look at the sequence. I want placeholder pieces of item for this much dollars, yeah, and I have three parameters or arguments to be passed to this format method: quantity 3, item number, and price. So it means I want 3 pieces of item 567 for $49.95. So this is how it will be working. So let's try this. Okay, so see here we have defined this variable, and when we print it, this is the output. I want 3 pieces of item, this and this. Yeah, so these 3 placeholders have been filled with these 3 parameters or arguments, we can say. Yeah, so you can use index numbering as well to be sure the arguments are placed in the correct placeholders. So here we are using index numbering, and let's see now. We will paste our code. What happened? Why it's not copied? Okay, did paste. Is something wrong? Because okay, yeah, quantity is equal to 3. It has syntax error. Yeah, okay, anyhow, when we are executing it, we have I want to pay this much dollars for 3 pieces of item 567. 7. So these placeholders are actually replaced by these variables. And as you can see, our first is quantity, yeah, then we have item number, and then we have price, yeah. So price, is going into 2, and quantity is dollars for quantity is going here, and pieces of item going at number 1, yeah. So these now arguments have index numbering. This is index 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and in the string, when it's not important now that where we it will not go in the sequence from left to right. We can change the position of these arguments in the string by having these index numbers for these placeholders, yeah. So I hope this concept is clear to you, and here we will wrap up the video. It was a short video. We have learned that how to use a format in Python to prepare strings of our own choice, and we can insert numbers in them at certain locations like this, where we specify location using placeholders, and these placeholders can be with the index number or without index number, yeah. So I hope this video has been informative for you. I'll be leaving now, and I'll be back with another video, inshallah. If video was useful to you, you can share with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe our channel so that you can learn more about Python and other programming languages. Okay, take care, bye bye. I'll be back soon, inshallah. Bye bye.